up to lesson 54, morphology focus today. So let's get our morphology deck and review the ones we've learnt so far. Okay, I'm going to hold them here, but you know there's lots of actions to go with these, so get ready to join in if you know those actions. S means plural, more than one. One who or comparison. Ing, happening now. Es, plural, more than one. Ed, past tense. Less means without. Li means like or how. Full means full of or having. And Y at the end of words also means full of or inclined to. Est means greatest or more than or most. Re means back or again. Un means not or opposite of. Dis means not, a part or absence of. Pre means before or earlier. Sub means below or under. Form means to shape. Tract means to draw or pull. Port means to bring or carry. And miss means wrong or bad. Terrific! It's time for our learning intention today. So, our learning intention today is we are going to use the Latin root ject to make words. Now, ject is a root. Do you know what that means? It means it needs other parts of words to turn it into a full word in English. Ject is actually not a whole word on its own. So that's why we call it a root. Now, what does it mean? Well, ject means to throw. Everybody stand up, shake it out. Okay, I want you to get your throwing action all ready. What does ject mean? Ject means to throw. Excellent. So, what we need to do now is come to the board and let's look at some picture cues that will help us land that learning. So, ject. This person here is objecting to something. He may have been told, eat your Brussels sprouts. And he's like, I object. It means he's throwing out that idea. Throwing out an idea means to object an idea. This is a cartoon picture of an injection, inject. Inject means to throw something in. This one over here, subject. Subject means to throw topics under. So we have a topic of school, and then maths and science and music and PE are the subjects we throw in under. Subject. Sub means below, remember? Two parts coming there together. Now, this is a projector. So when you project something onto a screen, so I might be on my laptop, but I might project the image onto the smartboard. That is projecting. And this last one here, no, they are rejecting something. They are throwing out that idea. So object and reject here are very similar. Now, when I was talking, did you notice that some of these words can be used in a different way, like a homonym? So we're not talking about an object, like my pencil is an object. In this word, we're concentrating on the morpheme ject. So object means to throw out an idea. Great. Can you think of another way that you could use the word object in a sentence? If you're throwing out an idea, what's something that you dislike or you're not happy with? You want to throw that idea away. What's something you object to? Inject. We have injections that are given by doctors and nurses to keep our bodies well. Have you ever projected something onto a screen? Have you ever heard of an overhead projector? Back in the 80s and 90s, we didn't have smart boards. We used a projector to put things up on a screen. And subjects. So even in a subject like maths, I can throw other subjects underneath that topic. So under mathematics, I might have algebra and geometry, multiplication, measurement. They're all things that I can throw in under. Have a think and then pause and maybe tell someone in your home something about using these words. Terrific. We are going to go on to our next activity. I'm going to reset my board. Okay, in this activity, you can see our morpheme, our root for today, is in the middle of our morpheme square. Ject. Can you remember that a root cannot stand on its own? It actually needs other word parts all around it to make it into a full word in English most of the time. So, can you put a timer on? You might choose a timer for 4 minutes. You might want to really challenge yourself and set a timer for 2 minutes. Set a timer, get your pencil and paper ready, and try and build as many words as you can using all of these prefixes and suffixes around the root ject. I wonder how many words you can come up with. You got your pencil and paper and your timer ready? Okay, go. How many words did you come up with? 4? 7? 9? Oh, put your hand up if you got more than 9. Wow, that's quite impressive. Well done. I am now putting up some of the words that you may have had. Let's have a read through together. I'll use my pencil for the tracker. Object. Did you have that one? Object. Subjects. 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 Did you have that one? Okay. Objected. I objected to being told to come inside out of the rain. Did you have that? Objected. Nice word building. What about these ones? Let's read them together. Rejected, objecting, rejecting. See how that's different? Rejected, rejecting. You could have rejects. Is it there? No, it's not, but you could have it. Last one, last row. Subjected, re-inject, injects. How'd you go? You may have had some that are not here. Well done. Excellent. It is time now to review our learning for today. So what was our morpheme that we learned? That's right, it's ject. What does it mean? Get your actions going. Are you ready? Ject means to throw. So ject, to throw. What kind of word part is it? It's a root. It needs other parts around it to make it into a full word in English. Well done. Last thing to do is our independent task. Okay, so we've come to our independent task. I've reset my board, so come over and let's have a look at your independent task today. So it's a mind map. We haven't done one of these in a long time. So a mind map is when you write down or even illustrate, drawing little icons or pictures, whatever pops into your brain. So you can see that from ject, you might remember that ject is a morpheme. And then you might remember it means to throw. So your mind map bubbles out with all of the ideas that are bubbling into your mind. You might also have ject and you might remember subject. And then you might list maths, science, health, PE, drama. Or you might go on another part of your mind map. You might remember the word object. An object means to throw away an idea. So I might write down here, no eating Brussels sprouts, no coming in from out of the rain. You might go on a different tangent. So over here, another part of your mind map. You want your mind map to bubble away with ideas. And it doesn't have to look pretty. It can go in lots of different places. So have fun with that independent task today. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you next time.